The hinged sides of the tables help contain the dust to ensure the dust is drawn down into the table, but you can open them for wider parts. Just under the table is a cleaning cartridge filter. Cartridge filters are available in two sizes, 177 or 295 square feet of media. Both the access door to the cartridge filter and the dust drawer are easily opened via strong latches that are easy to use and without any tools. Once the dust drawer is filled with dust, simply pull the drawer out and empty the dust out of the drawer and slide it back into the unit. At the rear of the table is the motor and blower, along with a compressed air tank for cleaning the filter. For the two different sizes of units, the SPC-1000 has a 1.5 horsepower single phase, and the SPC-2000 has a 3-phase 3 horsepower motor. On the very back of the unit is the on-off switch, the compressed air hose connector for pulse cleaning the filters, and a pressure drop filter gauge for determining how dirty the filters are. With the downdraft table shut off, you can see how the fume just sits above the table. Once the unit is turned on, the fume immediately is drawn down into the table. While the unit runs, the pressure drop gauge on the back measures the pressure drop across a clean filter. When the gauge reading increases due to dirt loading and diminished suction velocity, you will need to push the yellow button. If you don't push the button to clean the filter, then the dust loads up on the filter. The suction will diminish to almost nothing. It is very important to stay on top of the filter cleaning